Dust on its own isn't inherently bad for the boards. However, a build-up of dust over time will increase the wear on different components such as the bearings, the motor components themselves, and the belts and drive gears. It's a good idea that every few weeks when you clean your board, maybe get a can of compressed air, use it to clean off that dust and prevent that build-up, make your components last longer. Evolve use belt-driven wheels on our boards for a couple of different reasons. Firstly, it makes it a lot easier when changing from all train to street setups. Secondly, it provides more adaptability on the board to suit the way you ride and how you want to ride. This means you can change your gear sizes to get more torque or less torque depending on whether you're riding hills or wanting higher top speed. A common question we get is regarding which belt covers to go with which boards. The street and all-train setups have their own specific belt covers, with only one variation being for the 107mm wheels. This setup has a specific belt cover to suit this size of wheel, as the stock street belt cover does not fit. A common question we get from customers is regarding the gears on their board and how it's going to affect the range. A lower gear on a board may help increase the range if riding in hilly areas. However, a taller gear on the board may help increase the range if riding on flat ground with minimal stopping and starting. Rider style and terrain is always going to play a bigger part on the ultimate range you get out of your board than the gear size setup. The Bamboo 1, the Bamboo GT and the GTX decks consist of a maple core with a bamboo laminate. This provides adequate strength while providing flexibility to enjoy the ride. A common question we get from customers is regarding what tools they require for maintaining their board. The standard T-tool and Allen keys that come with the board are generally sufficient for most maintenance. However, it's always a good idea to have some additional pieces on hand. Screwdrivers and spanners can always help. Compressed air and brushes are always good to have on hand when it comes to cleaning the board, and a pump to keep the tire pressures in check. Evolve have a range of safety products, including helmets, knee pads, and elbow pads. The helmets are available at a 50% discount when purchased with a board. We also have safety packs available online at discounted rates. The most secure way to transport your board around is by carrying it either by the deck or by one of the trucks. If you're carrying it by the front truck, ensure that the rear motors aren't dragging on the ground. Evolve also have a backpack, which is an easy and convenient way to pack the board and carry it.